Bitcoin $17,000. What? Is this the ball in the line or not? Is Bitcoin beyond it or not? If you want to know everything about the crypto space, smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto at tope. So as yesterday in the soccer match between Japan and Spain at that second goal, Bitcoin is or isn't in the line of $17,000. We'll see about that. Just depends on the perspective you have of the situation. And speaking about lines, what about the line we have with this minimum here, here, and here, creating these stairs, creating this situation where I was expecting it going down from $17,000. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but this makes sense. And also this fits with the idea of the Fed situation and the rates going up or down, and how this situation creates different steps in our stair. Remember, Powell told us on Wednesday that maybe those rates are not going to be increased so high in the next situation, in the next month. So maybe that's why the United States market went up yesterday, as did gold. Dollar went down, but you can see that here Bitcoin should have also gone up, but it went down. Why? Because all the fiascos we have in the crypto space. But talking about the Standard & Poor's 500 and the stock market in general, we have a situation where we're finding a resistance point with this random line, and we'll see if we will start going down from this point, probably. So we're following for Bitcoin this path, and remember that 24 December may be the point for the lowest in the month. Remember, if you want to know everything about December and our price predictions for the crypto market, go to the last video where we talk about that 17% down for November and what's gonna happen in December. Is this video with the Brazil flag on it. And there we said that we are going to follow these possible two paths. This is 2018 and 2021, and we'll see. But first, let me fix the light here. Okay. We'll see which path we will follow, but both ways go down to around $12,000. So we'll see about that during this month. And turning into optimism, well, think about those candles, the Heikin Ashi. Caleb is telling us that we are in the 12th consecutive one. We had 14 here and then it started going up. So maybe we are just 2 months away for the beginning of the bull trend. Hopefully so. We want one more, at least one more bull market in order to take some profits and run away, probably. Just joking. But it's not a joke. All the faith we have in the crypto space. Lark Davis is telling us that 105 billion was spent on lottery tickets last year. 99.9% of the people chasing the dream of getting rich overnight lost everything. We've lost a lot in the crypto world, but we learn and we believe that we are investing. This is just a game, but we try to invest, and maybe in the future we were right and we are happy with those investments. As the CEO of BlackRock believes, he lost $24 million with the FTX fiasco, but he believes that next generation for the market will be tokenization. Tokenizing securities will be the future. According to him, that was so good. And also it's good that from Russia we see more and more adoption for the crypto space. Right now, Russia's largest bank is announcing compatibility with Ethereum, integrating MetaMask. So you'll be able even to pay in rubles the movements you do with your Ethereum chain. Here in Brazil, we see that adoption. We see a kid using Lightning Network in order to buy a banana, which is awesome. And it's also good that Telegram is pushing forward its idea of creating a crypto wallet so decentralized. And also remember that you can buy already your name in that chain, and people has spent $50 million in names. So good for development. Again, Telegram that is fighting back after the fine they had. And the market is in fear. We are in the 27, not that bad. And Joe Rogan now talking about FTX fiasco in its show, so everybody will know about it, which is good. We need information right now. Sam Bankman-Fried, Sam Sagat, is telling us that he was not aware of any improper use of funds in FTX downfall. Nobody believes that, but he's saying that for the trials to come. He's saying that FTX in United States is solvent and withdrawals could be open today if they wanted to, which we don't believe either. Also, bad news for the domino effect in the crypto space due to FTX. Blackstone now limiting investors' withdrawals, and that's not good. And if you want to see the interview this guy gave, I'm gonna leave this in the description. But again, be careful, because it's not something you want to listen to this guy and how he tries to apologize that I may have worked more than I did. Yeah, I got cozy. Yeah, well, some people just got mad as this guy and broke the TV after watching the video. So be careful with that. My Novograph is telling us that SBF should be locked up already. And in Spain, we keep on fiascos. Now, we know that the trial against Biosca and their heirs, it's going to keep on going after the suicide of the guy. I don't know about this. It's called Algorithms Group, allegedly a scam. So if you are involved with this, this is the information we have. And also more fear, because Patrick Hillman, director of strategy at Binance, is saying that the company may cease to exist in 10 years because the cryptocurrency market is moving toward DeFi. Do not say things like that. Right now, we are so sensitive. Also, it scares us that Huobi and Poloniex are gonna join forces. This is because they have liquidity problems. What's going on there? What's going on with BlockFi and the bankruptcy process? I leave you in the description this link where you have a lot of frequently asked questions. If you were a user, what do you have to do if you have an active loan, the credit card, etc. You will find there the information. And we are concerned that Kraken is firing 1,100 people. This is 30% of its potential. Bad for this exchange too, and bad for crypto regulations in Italy. Italy will impose crypto gains tax at 26% starting 2023. So if you need to track your portfolio and you need to do your homework with the taxes and regulations, you have to use coin tracking. You have a 10% discount if you use the link in the description. And afterwards, you can go to our website, fanontheRide.com, where you have in the crypto legal section a lot of videos, how to use it, and all the questions you have about regulations and tax reports, etc. But if you want more, then you can hire professionals in clcrypto.com, where they will tell you how is your situation right now before 31st of December, where you can react, where you can act on declaring or not some losses and stuff that will benefit you. So go to clcrypto.com and also to CL Crypto in YouTube, where you have also some tricks for coin tracking. Like here, Juan is telling us that with the beta version, if you use it, you can now use value for your NFTs. Remember that sometimes they have no value. It's difficult to track this. And with the beta version, you're going to be able on doing so. I leave you the link in the description to this video if you want to know further from it. Well, the market is in the red. The bubble's crazy for some of them, like Ethereum proof of work is going up. Also Hex, we don't like that. We don't like Lunacy is going up too. And the most important ones are not moving. Just Dogecoin, remember, in the past 7 days, up 22%. Ethereum, again with the line, where's the ball? Is below or above the 1,200 range. We'll see about that if we find here support and we have to fight the next resistance at $1,300. And good news for Ethereum, it's the second anniversary of the Bitcoin chain. If you don't know about that, I leave you this link in the description. Remember, it made possible to have Ethereum 2.0 and the staking. And right now there, the total value in Ethereum 2.0 deposit contract went over $20,000 million, which is crazy. And bad news for freedom of speech. Library is going to be closed. Remember, the SEC that was unable of avoiding the fiascos of Terra this summer or FTX this winter, they go bullying some other projects, like, in my opinion, Library. It's gonna close, but we'll see, because the protocol is decentralized and maybe the protocol will survive. We'll see about that. Follow us there in Odyssey till it disappears, and we will tell you where is the next platform this closes that we can use with the decentralized protocol. And there we have a fight for freedom of speech. Elon Musk with Twitter is trying to fight bots, so beware of your followers going down. This might happen due to this erasing of bots and spam. That's a good thing. But also now everybody fighting Elon Musk and that freedom of speech. Now in Europe, they're saying that they might ban Twitter if he has no moderation. You have to say what the government wants you to say. You can say whatever you want, Elon Musk. You know about that. And also, not just Europe is threatening Twitter, but also Apple, that right now is able to remove and ban Twitter if they want to. More than that, very bad news for Apple that we don't like anymore, because now they are making things worse for NFTs there. They want 30% of the fee of the blockchain. So that's crazy. These people really don't want this crypto space to improve, or they want to take a lot of money, which is so greedy, and I hate that. In the NFT and DeFi world, we are down from $40 billion. And again, we have exploits with Gnosis, with Anchor protocols, so be careful there. We have good news, and the one is that Porch is launching an NFT collections for the 911. You can buy it. And the best are over the reality. They want us to have a happy Christmas. Remember, we have those prices we can earn if we go to the street and go looking for those treasures. And remember that we still have the contest. If you are good with design, just try to win those $30,000 in OVR. Maybe you can do things like this in the moon, where we are gonna be sometime in the future. By now, we learn how to protect our assets with Ledger Nano S Plus and X. And remember that you can give that as a present for this year's Christmas. And more than that, you might buy some crypto in Ledger Live without having to buy it in exchange, and now without fees till 4th of December. So you have 2 more days to take advantage of that. And maybe with the money you are not wasting, you can buy something and put it in the Christmas tree this year. Or maybe some other stuff. Remember, you have the link in the description for Amazon. If you use it, you can buy this or any other thing. If you don't close your session, you will help us indirectly. Thank you very much. Technology, awesome one like this one that might help you if you fall. It's a personal airbag, so cool. And so cool is knowing that you will never use again a hands dryer in a public restrooms. Why? Because this guy did this experiment, and see here the things that grew if you use that air in your hands. So crazy stuff. And let's think about good things, like Naval is telling us here: value your time. It's all you have. It's more important than your money. It's more important than your friends. It's more important than anything. Your time is all you have. Do not waste your time. Like this cat that is thinking a lot. It's like, yeah, I'm having a good time here. I'm a little bit blue, but I'm okay. This one is better. It's gonna nap for a little bit after all the knowledge we got today. This is the bear that is happy in the crypto winter, just taking advantage of the situation and having a bath. And what about this one? He started going to the gym, but he doesn't understand the machines yet. He will. As this goat, crazy one that believes the sheep is a horse. We are so crazy, and that's why we dance in every situation, in the bull market and in the bear market too. Have fun, enjoy, and we have no more time today, but if you want to listen to this in Spanish, go to Fun on the Right, and if you want more in English, just wait for next show here. Crypto news, fun on the right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Criptomonedas a tope, to the moon!